Hello, this is Cameron from United Credit doing another proof video of one of our trade lines posting, which actually is a CPN apartment package that we created for a client. A CPN apartment package consists of a tri-merge CPN. Then we add a trade line to it, giving a score of about 700 plus, enabling our client to rent an apartment or house nationwide. That's simply what it is. It also shows one of our trade lines that's posted. I'm clicking here, going to the trade line here. You got one trade line, 1 year, 3 months. It's capital one. $500 limit. Again, it's about a year old, 3 months. Authorized user, October 7th. So again, we're still posting these lines on a regular basis for the past 8 years. Call for details on how to get a CPN apartment package, or if you need trade lines. We have over 400 trade lines posting on a regular basis, on a daily basis, from 1 year to 30 years old. The older the trade line, the bigger the credit boost. I tell people, always look for age trade line. So if you're like 40, 50, buy a 20-year line. If you're like 25, buy a 10-year line. But the reason being, the whole principle behind trade lines is to increase average age. That's what you do when you buy a trade line. You increase an average age, which is about 30% of your credit score, and that in turn boosts that score. You can call us for a free consultation if you have questions on how trade lines work. Our consultation is totally free. It takes about 30 minutes, and it's totally free. We're still doing credit repair. We do business trade lines, primary trade lines, CPN numbers. Pretty much anything credit related, we can help you out somewhere. If not, we can direct you to somebody that's doing it. We've been doing it for 8 years. And again, all our consulting is free. We can review your profile, go over it. Or if you're trying to get an apartment, we can help you out doing a CPN apartment package. If you're trying to get a business loan, we do business loans. We kind of do it all. Now, for the apartment package, go to rentfast.org, rentfast.org. If you need a business loan with bad credit, go to loan95.com, loan95.com. Credit repair, just call us for consultation about credit repair. Anything related to credit, call us up. Now hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for these bi-weekly updates on all of our credit services. Again, all our services are guaranteed. We've been doing this now for about 7 to 10 years. Thank you. Have a great day.